Now we want to see how to sort the values of a variable in StatCrunch. And if you're familiar with Excel, it's actually very similar. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Data, Sort. You always want to make sure that the default all columns is checked. If you don't do that, what will happen is it will only sort just that column, and the other values in that row will not move with it, which is bad, right? Because each row represents the data on one single movie. So as you sort the values of the variable in one column, you want the rows to move accordingly. And you're going to go ahead, you're going to choose the column. And I'm going to choose SQL franchise. We were interested in that. The values are yes and no. So ascending means that the values will be going up in lexicographic order from no to yes. You can basically replace the current column with a sorted one, which is what we're going to choose. And we go ahead and click. And it tells you which columns were sorted. And if you go to SQL franchise, you can see that these are all no's. These are not SQL franchises. And way at the bottom, you'll see the yeses. Now, what if we want to sort more than one variable? Okay, what if I want to look at, say, the popularity, and I want to sort on popularity and on SQL franchise? I can go to Edit, and now I can add another variable to sort with, and I'll sort by popularity. And what's going to happen is first it's going to sort SQL franchises. So it's going to take all the movies that aren't SQL franchises and put them first, and all the ones that are SQL franchises and put them second. Within each no and yes, it's then going to sort by popularity. So it'll go from, and we'll make it go descending. We'll make it start at the most popular and go to the least popular. We say compute. And now we see what happens, okay? So we see that it's kept this the same, but now the popularity we see is going down in descending order. So the most popular non-SQL franchise movie was Jurassic World, okay? And I can kind of expand that a little bit there. All right, so that's how you sort variables in StatCrunch. You could use any number of variables you wanted, but usually we don't sort more than 2.